Hey, get off the cheese. Man. Look, the wildlife here has no fear of man whatsoever. Not that I consider a little bird wildlife, but it's pretty cute. Saw a big bear yesterday coming in. It's July 17th, 9:30. I'm about 15 miles away from getting out of the national park, and probably around 70 miles away from Harper's Ferry. Big old thunderstorm last night. Nearly got hit by lightning at around, struck about 50 feet away, but stayed dry. Was able to get the camp up and set up in time. And just having breakfast before I do a 15-miler today. Almost out of the Shenandoahs and almost into Harper's Ferry. July 17th, 9:30. Bye-bye.